On December 16, the iPhone 4S was launched in the Philippines, featuring Siri, the revolutionary virtual assistant that understands and obeys your voice. Unfortunately, many of Siri's functions are not yet available in the Philippines.
Siri, where's the nearest Starbucks?
Sorry, Camille. I can't look for places in the Philippines.
What's more, Siri seems to have a problem understanding Pinoy English.
Siri, where is the CR?
Sorry, Michael. I can't provide maps and directions in Costa Rica.
That's why we at Makapuno Systems have developed a Siri counterpart who understands you. Introducing Vanji, the Pinoy virtual assistant.
Vanji, ano weather today?
The weather today will be fair and sunny but overcast with light to heavy winds, scattered rain showers, and thunderstorms.
So, uulan.
Ma! Look at the clouds! Eh, di ba malaki ka na? Magtatrabaho ka na nga eh. Nakabili ka na nga ng iPhone 4S eh. Ano ba?
Vanji, call my girlfriend.
Girlfriend? Wait.
Yes.
Yes ka dyan! Hello! Boom, back, confirmed! Kasama mo kaya si Judith kahapon! Mag-holding pa kayo! Kiss pa nga kayo!
Vanji was programmed to fully understand Pinoy culture.
Tell Jobert I'm going to be 30 minutes late.
Is that Jobert with an H?
Yes.
Okay, here's a message for Jobert. Stan, are you? Late for me? Sorry, pose. Mama, chup chup. Lost.
Send. How much sugar do I put?
Upusin mo na yan. Ayan. Tapos, lagyan mo ng ketchup. Taktak mo pa yung ketchup. Taktak mo pa. Lagyan mo ng hotdog. Tapos pag halu-haluin mo lang yan, pasok na sa bangat. Oh, di ba masaya? Sarap.
Vanji, hinahabol ako. Saan ako dadaan?
Bakit di ba boses mo?